download the Network Manager, head to the following web page and access the customer portal with the login credentials you've been given. Click the download button to access downloads of all software and the Network Manager. Once installed, locate the app via your Start menu or desktop and ensure that you run as an administrator. Once the application is open, click on the Activate/Deactivate Network License for your chosen product. This will open the Network License Wizard. Ensure that you leave the on-premise license box checked on and click Activate your license. In this form, either paste in your UNC path or click the three dots to open up the file manager. You need to ensure that you pick a location where all end users of the network license have full read and write access. Make a note of this path, as end users will need to input this path when connecting to the network license file. Once your location is chosen, click on Register, then Next. Then click the Activate Online button, enter your license key, and then click Activate. Your network license will have now been activated. To complete the process, click Finish on the Network License Wizard. Once you've downloaded and installed your Civil Survey Applications product, the License Manager will be accessible via the ribbon. To activate your network license, click on Activate License. In the next form, click Set On-Premise Path. You'll first need to specify your product. Then paste in the path to the UNC license file or choose Set Path to find the location in the Explorer. Once you've specified the network license file path, click Verify Server. In the License Manager, you'll now be connected to the network license. Initially, the license will be checked into the server and not available for use. To begin using this license, you'll need to click on the Checkout button or run a product command. To check your license back into the license pool for other users to use, simply click the Check In button or close down your CAD platform. If you no longer need a network license or your IT manager has moved the network license file to a new location, you can click on Remove Network.